Charles Owen was a professor at IDE who's no longer with us, and he used to teach structured planning.
Series of individual elements which are organized by some kind of relationship to give us.
He was a systems thinker and someone who believed that structure and creativity go together. Like almost every professor who's taken a class with him talks about him all the time. And what if you could just ask Chuck, how can I make this a way for people to have deeper conversations and not just a way for me to interact with just the content, but even ideas and questions I have beyond just the content. So we took all the PDFs that were papers that Chuck published and made a repository with which you could interact. We made this conscious choice of not making a clone of Chuck, right? Rather, we said there could be a learning assistant that could help you understand content about Chuck.
Can you tell me about how to go about action analysis?
Action analysis is a method that focuses on understanding user needs by creating a function structure.
So instead of us relying on distributed data sets and relying on luck for the LLM to pick up things on the web about Chuck, this repository is a lot more reliable because it's a concentrated collection of Chuck's work. And you would be able to just talk to that and it will come back with responses and it will also cite the sources. And I think this is a new mode of interaction with educational content.